Hi everyone, this is John from HValley Tools, also known as HValley Tools, and today I want to talk to you about slab flattening and spoil board flattening bits. We have a standard offering that we've had for a long time: dado clean out, slab flattening, spoil boards, and these are the traditional designs. They don't need to cut real deep, so they usually only have anywhere from a 3/16 up to a 1/2 inch cut depth, but the most important thing is that they have a very level, flat shaver for getting the bottom and a lead-in cutter that is tapered right here. So it gives you an excellent finish, single pass, and you get very little riff lines, which are those overlapping lines when you do a pass and you overlap a 1/4 inch. The next generation of this bit is what we call our replaceable carbide slab flattening and spoil board. You can see that this thing looks weird. It's like something out of space, but it works incredibly well. So we have replaceable carbide cutters. So we have 4 aspects that we can rotate in case you chip or they get dull. And then we have 2 lead-in chippers that can be replaced or turned when you need to improve the cut performance. What I found is that in our test cuts on maple, it's stunning. And we did, 16th, 1/8 inch, 3/16 inch, straight passes, see what the resistance was, running around 16,000 RPM. Holy crap, it just cut right through it. Really like the design, very simple, very clean. I also like that we have a carrier bolster that prevents the carbide from ever shifting position, which has been a problem in the past of other cutters. It took us about a year to find one that we like, that we want to stand behind. The first version of this is going to be in 1/2 inch shank, and that's item number 18,000, and we will have a 1/4 inch shank version. So we just want to introduce this, let you know that it's coming. It's really great price too for what you get. And if you have any questions and you need to get further information, give us a call. Love to help you.